Yaw na ang lahat. You can tell kakaldag na si Stel. Woo! Wala. Huling battle night na. Huli na to.
Clouds darken up the skyway. There's a rainbow highway to be found. Just a step beyond the rain. Somewhere over the rainbow, way up high, there's a land that I heard of once in a lullaby.
Somewhere over the rainbow, skies are blue. In the dreams that you dare to dreams really do come true.
Someday I wish upon a star and wake up when the clouds are far behind me. Would troubles melt like silver drops away above the chimney top? That's where you'll find me. Somewhere over
The rainbow, bluebirds fly.
birds fly
Over the rainbow once in a lullaby.
If happy little bluebirds fly beyond the rainbow, why, oh, why can't
Coaches, ang O-Duo. Coach Sido.
That was adorable talaga. Adorable, ang cute, it's so pure and innocent. And technically, alam mo, ang laki ng improvement mo from day one hanggang dito, ang laki ng ginaling mo. So nakakatawa talaga. Wala lang, heartwarming yung performance mo.
Thank you, Coach. Coach Bill.
Bad trip kayo. Pinapaiyak niyo pa kami. Hindi, there's so much, so much love, so much innocence. Isa kang anghel, baby girl. Honestly. Salamat sa napakagandang awit. And wala, naiiyak lang ako because you guys just set an example na pagmamahal talaga will take over the world. Thank you na pinapaalala nyo lagi sa amin na yung pagmamahal nyo sa isa't isa is unconditional. So thank you very much.
Thanks, Coach. Coach Del.
Ang sarap niyo naman panoorin sa stage. Sobrang pinatunayan nyo na yung skills nyo kahit magkaiba. Pero pag pinagsama niya kayong dalawa, grabe, napakaganda ng produktong nailabas nyo. Sobrang proud. And kitang-kita sa mga audience, lahat sila na-touch sa performance nyo. Nag-iiyakan yung mga tao. Yung coach nyo umiiyak. Grabe. Congratulations and we're very proud and excited kami makita kayo sa susunod kung nakapasa kayo sa coach nyo.
Julie,
Ah,
anong nararamdaman mo?
naiyak ako. Si Billy kasi...
Ako nga pinaiyak nyo, ako pa bibintangan nyo.
Hindi kasi nakita ko kanina, kung paiyak na ako, tapos nakita ko si Billy na umiiyak, naiyak ako lalo. Yun na yung gusto ko lang sabihin na sobrang proud ako sa inyo. May mga challenges tayo ng konti, but we were able to surpass it. And wala yung ina-feel ko nga yan kasi parang puro pagmamahal. And you touched every heart na nandito ngayon.